Welcome back to Creative Crafts. Today we are going to make a greeting card which you can gift your friends. Are you sure about what you're going to make?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I'm not sure about it. Can you help me, please?
Yes, of course. Wait, let me think. I got an idea. Can we make this?
Yeah, it's very nice.
Things required: 2 color papers, glue, sketch pens, and any decorative items.
We need an A4 sheet and a paper lesser than it.
Apply glue to it.
Applying glue is so satisfying.
Yeah, it is.
Stick the smaller one to the bigger paper.
Let it dry.
Now fold the paper.
Take a sketch pen and write anything you want to. You can make it colorful by adding lots of colors to it. Can we make it colorful?
Yeah, we can take any color which is contrasting to it.
You can draw any picture on the other side, or you can paste a picture of your friend.
You can draw anything on the border or cut the paper.
This is how it looks like when we draw on the paper. If you don't like it, then you can leave it. Or you can draw something on that. Now let's add some details to it.
We have completed from inside. Let's move on the outside.
Now let's take some paper for decoration and stick it in the desired area.
Take a 7x7 cm paper.
Cut the edges of the paper. Be careful while using scissors because they are very sharp.
Can you do for me?
Yeah, I'll do.
Apply glue on the three sides of a paper and leave one side open because we are going to use that as a pocket.
Now take sketches for decorating the corners. We are going to draw stripes.
You can draw any designs because it's optional. It looks like a candy cane. I want to eat it. Can we do designs on the pocket?
Of course, we can do. Now decorate the pocket in which we are going to keep a card. It's optional. If you decorate, it will look more cute.
Can you draw a smiley for me?
Sure, I'll do it.
We are going to make a card which we are going to keep inside the pocket.
For this, we need a small piece of cardboard and a small paper. Now we are going to stick them together.
Write anything which you want to say to your friend. Now take any things for decoration.
If you want to know how to make the flower, check out the link in the description.
Now it has been finished.
From inside it looks like this, and backside we didn't decorate anything, but if you want you can decorate backside too. The front side of the card looks beautiful because of the tiny decorations, and this is the card in which I wrote some messages to my friends. So don't forget to check out the other videos which we uploaded in our channel. If you find this interesting,
Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment.
the links of the other videos are in the description box down below. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram. Thanks for watching.
Hope you enjoyed this video.
Bye bye. See you in next video.